Machitech, we're a cutting solution provider. We try to develop solutions for our customer to help them, to optimize their factory. The Machitech experience, it's a term that we did start to use. It's to exceed, the customer expectation. Solidworks, for us, was a big game changer to help us to realize this Machitech experience because, we want to do the right solution for our customer.
With Solidworks, we can easily make a layout for the customer. In 5 minutes, we can play with some dimension and give to the customer a good idea of the machine that he will get.
It's a powerful software that allows us to go to another level of development, of innovation, with all the features integrated in the software that allow our team to push the limit of the engineering.